Plants that repel mosquitoes and other insects. Warmer weather seems like a nice surprise after a very frigid winter and rainy spring. However, one unwelcome aspect of the warmer weather is the return of pests, notably mosquitoes. Most people will go to considerable efforts to keep them at bay so that we may enjoy the sun in peace. Surround yourself and your yard with these insect and mosquito repellent plants for further protection. 1. Citronella. Citronella is a common element in natural insect repellents, patio candles, and other products. However, you may not be aware that citronella is also a grass. The aromatic oil that the plant produces is used in the majority of citronella products. Topical citronella only last approximately 2 hours because the oils dissipate fast, so keeping plants nearby is a good way to protect yourself against biting pests. Citronella grass may grow up to 6 feet tall and 6 feet broad, so make sure you leave enough space between them. Filtered sunshine and frequent watering are also beneficial to the grass. 2. Lavender. Lavender's scent and essential oils repel mosquitoes and most other insect species for 6 to 8 hours. If you put the fragrant plant on your property's grounds, it will attract beneficial pollinators, resulting in a profusion of purple blooms. Lavender should be planted 2 to 3 feet apart to give them enough room to flourish, and they prefer direct sunshine. Depending on how dry the soil is, water the plants once or twice a week. 3. Marigolds. Marigolds contain various insecticidal ingredients that make them popular among gardeners and landscapers. The aroma of marigold blossoms, like that of other insect-repelling plants, can help keep pests away. Plus, this plant doesn't take up a lot of room, is low maintenance, and produces lovely, bright flowers throughout summer. 4. Rosemary. Rosemary, in addition to being a delicious and useful plant, contains oils that have been found to be efficient insect repellents. Rosemary is a popular choice among home gardeners since it is easy to cultivate. It may be grown in a garden, a window box, or even as part of your landscaping. 5. Basil. Basil leaves contain substances that can kill mosquito larvae before they hatch, which may help to minimize the amount of mosquitoes in your yard. Basil plants also attract pollinators, which benefit your yard and garden. Basil is one of the easiest herbs to cultivate and is a summertime essential. 6. Mint. Mint is another pleasant plant with anti-insect effects. Mint and peppermint oil include menthol, which has biocidal effects that help repel and control mites, mosquitoes, and other pests. It spreads like a weed and is an excellent starting plant. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.